Okay, so I'm going to give you an example of how to create a Venn diagram. I have one already made up for you to show you, and I'll just describe it. We have this one right here. This is a Venn diagram. The Venn diagram has circles. You can see right here these two circles. There, here, the terrestrial and the circle for the gas. And then these are talking about planets. We're making a Venn diagram for planets. And here we have on the outside the different colors. The gas, the pink on the outside of the circles are how they're different. Okay, and you see here terrestrial planets are rocky surface, they're small in size, very few moons, and also they have craters. Come on, craters. And here, these have spots. A lot of these, they have rings. These gas planets, they have a lot of moons. They're composed of gas and they're very large. Similarities are they have cores. They all have the same. They're all in the same solar system. They all revolve around the sun, and they all have elliptical orbits. Okay, so this is one method of making a Venn diagram. Now, if you want to use another method, it's very similar. Let me give you a new file here. It's really the same thing, but instead of using circles, say you have a problem with circles. You just don't like making circles. So we're going to call these terrestrial. These are different color, gas, and these are both. And again, we would just put in, if we were doing planets, we would put in for the Rockies, we'd put in, or the terrestrials, they're rocky, they have craters, they're small. Okay, then we go over the gas. They're gaseous. We'll call them gaseous. They're not rocky. They have no outer surface. They are very large. They have rings, and they have moons. And over here we'll say few moons. And then we have what they both have. Just make it black. So they're all in the same solar system. They all revolve around the sun. They all have elliptical orbits, and they all have a core. Okay, so that's two examples of Venn diagrams. Try one